Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, this is a little treat today, guys. A little snack I'm putting together here in the air fryer. I'm doing some air fried pickles, and I can't wait to show this to you. They're delicious. Let's get going. Okay, guys, really very simple here. You've seen the same battering process. I've got some just a plate full, just about enough all I'm going to cook today. Just enough for our little snack. I've got some pickles here. I've let them drain off on some paper towels. I really want to get the excess moisture off of them. Just bought some store-bought kosher deals from my local store. It's very simple. I'm going to show you a couple and I'll do the rest of them off camera, but you've seen the process before. So the pickle straight into some flour. I'm going to attempt the little dry hand, wet hand. It normally don't work out real good. Just a little flour on the pickle, just like we was breading a piece of chicken. A little egg batter. And I've got some Italian style breadcrumbs over here. We're gonna go straight in. We're gonna do that to each of these guys. Let them rest over there for a second. I'll show you one more. Flour straight into the egg. Move that on over here into our breadcrumbs. I've not added anything to the breadcrumbs other than the Italian seasonings that's already in it. Alright guys, we'll let them hang out and I'll get these finished up and we'll get them in the air fryer. Alright guys, last little bit here. Let me get this cleaned up and I'm gonna come back and we'll get this thing in the air fryer. Hey guys, I got just a little cooking spray. I'm just gonna hit the tops of these, just put a little oil on them so they crisp up real good. I don't want to put a lot on there. In fact, remember, I'm gonna turn these top side down when I put them in my tray here. That way I can hit the back side a little bit. Just so I can try to not make such a huge mess. I'm gonna hit the other sides just a little bit. Let's get these in the air fryer. Okay, let's change our setting here to air fry. I always go the wrong way. And 400 degrees, and I hope it shows up on camera. I have a hard time sometimes with this thing showing up on camera. I'm gonna say 15 minutes, even though I don't think we're gonna take that long. Let's get her heated up. Okay, we have reached temp. Let's get these guys in here. I don't think it's gonna take more than 10 minutes or so. We'll just keep an eye on it, guys. Tell you what, we're 10 minutes in. I'm gonna pause this and take a look, and I bet we're very close, if not done. Grab one out of here. Oh my god, dude, that's it. Looking great, guys. Look at that. Let's get these out of here, get them on the plate, and give them a try. I just dump these in there. See how good I am. Would you look at that? I'm making a mess back here behind the plate. We don't care about no little mess. Okay, for our sauces, I'm coming up with just a little light ranch dressing. Always good. Also good on fried foods. I got some of this Sweet Baby Ray's secret sauce. Really good on a lot of fried foods. Would you look at that? All right, the moment of truth. I'm gonna do one without any sauce at all. I love fried pickles. And doing it in the air fryer just makes me feel a little bit better about it because I'm not so much oil, but Very good, guys. Oh, trying some of this Ray's secret sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's. Good stuff, guys. That sauce is always good on anything fried. I've even done it on a burger or two, to be honest. Very good. And of course, I know the ranch is always good. I'm gonna sit there, eat this whole thing. I ain't even gonna share this with Mama. Maybe I will. That's a big pickle. Guys, thank you so much. This was so good. Just a little snack right now. Got so much going on. Got more videos to come. Trying to find time to film them all and edit. So it's all good. We're gonna work it out. So guys, thank you as always. Hit that like button for us and subscribe if you have not already. We always appreciate you. We can't wait till next week. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.